Let's know about kinesis. In proxemics, we have know that it is the distance maintaining from person to person. What is kinesis? Kinesis also a body language. As body language is a type of non-verbal communication in which physical expressions are used to convey the information and we not have to tell anything. We have known about from previous classes that in non-verbal communication we can convey anyone through our body language. Such expressions are body posture, gesture, eye movement, touch. It is also used in animals also. This science of study of body language is known as kinesis. What is kinesis? It is the body language. In other words, it is known as kinesis. It is the totally physical expressions. These are divided into 5 parts. First one, facial expressions. Next, body posture. Next, gesture. One is handshakes and other is breathing, through which we can convey anyone about our body posture. First one, facial expressions. What is facial expression? Facial expression is integral while expressing emotions, thought, the body, combination of eyes, eyebrows, lips, nose and cheeks movements expresses different mode of an individual like happiness, sorrow, depression and anger, etc. Watch the picture. These are the different type of facial expressions through which we can convey anyone about our movements. Next is the body posture. Body posture of human also tell several emotions like nervousness, fearness, happiness and anger also. Good stand posture indicate leadership and confidence. Leaning slightly forward slows and speaker has much care for about the audience. Watch this picture about their body posture. One will in happy mode who dance, one is sorrow. These are the changes of body movements. Gesture are the physical movements of organs which is best process to communicate the message to the receiver for conveying anything. If we watch the fingers language, we can variously use in Facebook and WhatsApp. Next picture is about the body language or gesture movement of the persons, and you can easily convey what they are saying about it. These are all the gestures of body. Next, handshakes. It also get an important role in non-verbal communication. It is a token of love, understanding, etc. It is commonly done on meeting, greeting, offering congratulations or after completion of an agreement. Watch all these pictures. One Prime Minister with Trump, Prime Minister with Israel PM, and these all are saying about the handshakes position. These all are different position of handshakes which deals after a meeting, after a or congratulate anyone, providing greetings to come to them. Next is breathing. A person's mood and state of mind can be judged from his type of breathing. Deeper breathing signifies one relaxed mind. First picture is the relaxed mind people who is in relaxed mind, deeper breathing. Other is the next picture is the nervousness picture, slow breathing. So slow breathing is in a nervous mode and deeper breathing relaxed mind. So it's relaxed mind and confident attitudes. Shallow and rapid breathing may signify one or nervousness and fearness. This is the picture, two pictures we can easily know about it.